To get a PayPal Debit MasterCard, you need to meet specific eligibility requirements that vary depending on whether you want a personal or business card. For a personal PayPal debit card, you must be at least 18 years old with a valid U.S. address and social security number. Your PayPal personal or Premier account needs to be verified and in good standing. Additionally, your account must be open for at least 60 days with a confirmed bank account or credit card, and you cannot have any negative PayPal balance. For a business PayPal debit card, you need a valid PayPal business account registered in the United States, along with an employer identification number or social security number if you're a sole proprietor. Business verification documents might also be necessary depending on your business type and account history. To apply for your PayPal debit card, start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the PayPal debit card section under Wallet. Complete any required identity verification steps, then provide your personal information, confirm your social security number, and accept the terms and conditions. You can also choose from available card designs. The application review process typically takes 1 to 2 business days. Once approved, card production and shipping takes 7 to 10 business days. If you need your card sooner, express shipping is available for an additional fee of $15 to $20. Once you receive your PayPal Debit MasterCard, activation is straightforward with 2 convenient options available. For online activation, visit paypal.com/activate or use the PayPal mobile app. You'll need to enter your 16-digit card number and security code, create a 4-digit PIN, and verify your identity through security questions. Alternatively, you can activate by calling 1-866-888-6080 and following the automated prompts. Have your card and personal information ready for this process. PayPal has enhanced security features, including real-time fraud monitoring with instant transaction alerts to protect your account and transactions. Your activated card supports contactless payments through Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay for convenient and secure transactions. As of 2025, PayPal allows you to spend cryptocurrency balances directly through your debit card, adding a new dimension to digital payments.